I spent this week trying to discover who I am. In honest terms, I don't know who I am or what identity I hold. All I know is that I'm Kanojo, and I have continuously been given roles that, in the long run, did not suit me. And I struggled a lot trying to identify that these roles were given to me, or I took them on for survival, for peace, for mediation, for not trying to rock the boat of life that I was dealt. And now that I'm older, these roles no longer fit who I am, and what I need. See, I've been living in survival mode for a very long time, and I am trying to exit that. So that means my roles for survival are no longer needed, but I didn't know how to function without them. So I became lost. I became lost of who I am, what I stood for, what I wanted, my values. I couldn't even identify my values. I still don't understand my values, but I was trying. I knew that I wanted to be a person who was authentic, who was independent, who could love and be loved, who could experience life and be happy, someone who said what she meant and meant what she said without having to repeat herself, who could gladly stand against society and the norms without feeling shame and embarrassment. But I had no idea how to do that. So I looked around me and I took in everything that I never got to try in life, but that I wanted to. And I had to do it. I just started doing it. I journaled for the first time in a long time. This week I've been trying to do it consistently, and it's been nice. I do struggle. I think I've missed like 2 days, but 3 days out of 7, I don't know, from a progress of 0 out of 7, doesn't seem that bad to me. I've been working out, trying to assess the goals that I really want. I've been experiencing life in the lightest form ever, just experiencing and loving and being without having to explain or excuse anything, just experiencing. I've been listening to very romanticized music about life and self-love and self-care. I've been taking care of my skin, my face. I've set up like a whole face routine, and it's been so nice. I think the most important takeaway from this is understanding you have to romanticize your life, and understanding the identity that you want or you want to curate. Not essentially being someone you're not, but understanding what you do want and what you do want to reflect into the world, because these reflections show up in real life. I mean, for the first time in a very long time, I have not felt depressed like I used to. I do not feel the need to hide in my room like I used to, with the curtains drawn, be in the dark, not talking to people. I felt so freeing in a way I've never felt in the 27 course of my life. And it made me happy. It made me so beyond proud of myself and my progress. And I want that for other people. I want people to experience that the same way I did. Because loving life feels refreshing. And I don't want people to feel the same way I felt about my life or life in general. I don't want people to give up because the cards that were dealt were so unbearable. I want people to know that there's hope out there, that there's peace and there's everything that could ever be needed and what needs to be needed ever. I know that we could all do it, but it does take encouragement. And maybe this is your encouragement, this is your sign, this is something you needed to get up and be like, you know what, I could do it. So let's do it together. I mean, down in the comments, tell me something you did to romanticize your life that made your life feel awesome and encouraging and needed. Something that you never thought you wanted to do, but you did it. Maybe a role that you've taken on that you didn't know you didn't have to take on. Something fulfilling, something freeing. Let me know. And let's have this conversation together. I want to thank the people that have been watching so far. I think it's very sweet and it's encouraging. I never suspected that there would ever be anyone watching. This is more like a diary series for me, but it's nice to know at least one person is watching, so I would like to thank you. And if there's any more people who watch, thank you too. This has been very uplifting and freeing for me to do. So, thank you. Eventually, Kanojo.